Hello everyone, my name is Subham Adhikari and today I'm here to walk through a simple Flutter project I've created using Flutter and Dart. The name of the project is Number Generation Game. So this is the game that I have created using Flutter. I've used several Flutter widgets to create this game, and as you can see I've already opened my iOS simulator over here. We can also run this in Android simulator, but for this I am using iOS for demonstration. And so this is the entire project, and I have separated the project in three different files. As you can see, the main.dart file is the main entry point of the application where we will execute this file, and this app .dart runs the material app, which is the main you could say the layout of the application. And this application screen is the scaffold widget where where it is where the main application will be run, and we will be able to interact with the application. So let's run this project. So I'm doing a run without debug. So over here, as you can see, the Flutter is launching. The application is being built. Mm. So the application has been built. So this is the project. As you can see in the this design form, I've just created the same exactly over here. So this is the project, and this is the main application where I've and as you can see, the widget part over here, everything this in this code is front end part where I've used scaffold and other and containers such as I've used layouts such as container, which is used to hold the entire widget in place. And I've also used column and row for the layout part, and to make the other widgets stay in place. So I can, so as you can see, it's for the it's like a prettify where I can lay out the entire in its place. So as you can see, this the number generation game is over here. So what does this game does is that at first, whenever I run the project, the two numbers, as you can see over here in here, these are two buttons where two numbers are generated and shown. So each time I click this button, this checks this runs this function over here. I've separated the two functions in left and right button. The logics are the same, so it checks the two random numbers to see which one is the greater one. And if the button that we have pressed has the greater number, then the value, the score is shown over here, then it is means that's correct. For example, over here 23 and 51. So if I press 51 over here, as you can see, the one the correct has been incremented. So and then this display value will be shown, and after I check this button and this right button, it will invoke this one. And if the number is higher, since the 51 was greater, so it chose, and the number the correct value was incremented. And as you can see, the correct value is over shown over here, score is over here. And when as soon as I press the button and the score has been shown, the other numbers are generated for comparison. And let's say I click on 44, the next the random numbers are again generated for next step. And as you can see, there is incorrect, and this goes for 10 rounds. We can do all this for over 10 rounds. And if there are 10 total 10 rounds, as you can see, 4 are correct and 6 are incorrect. And as you can see, you lose display has been shown over here if the correct and the incorrect value is equal to 10. The is equal to 10, and it shows if the correct value is greater than 5, then this result will be shown as you can see, the one result will be shown. But in this case, the incorrect value is more than the correct value, so the lose value will be shown. And if the correct value and incorrect value are the same, the draw will be shown. As you can see, if I do the reset part and just do this, and let's do a reset, the draw part. uh, uh, as you can see, the draw part is because the correct and the incorrect are the same, so the draw value has been the draw result has been displayed over here. And whenever I press this one, the game has been over because the 10 round is already completed. So I have to play again, because I cannot play again because the 10 round is already completed. So I have to again click on play again button, so to reset the game. I can also reset the game from here as well, like this is and the games have been resetted. So this is the entire project. I've used this entire void show display over dialog to show the dialog box. As you the dialog box which I've just shown, this one is created using this function. And whenever I the 10 rounds has been completed, the this display one, and if I press the button, any two buttons, the this dialog box or the dialog box will pop up. And if I click over here and then again play again button, the game will be reset again, and I'll be able to reset the game. As you can see, the reset function is over here, and this the display results function is over here. And it goes every time I click the button, this value has been this value the it will be checked for the number, the random. And I've used this math inbuilt library to build the random numbers at first. And I've used this generate random numbers whenever the application is executed. This function is this function gets initiated at first because it's the first state. And I've created this entire application using stateful by extending a stateful widget, because there is also an option of stateless, because I am using this set state which will be able to which updates the state in a runtime. So I have to use the stateful widget to show the current state of the project. And so as you can see, the entire this is the entire layout of this number generation game. I've used several others like column, containers, text, size button, and all the others widgets that has been offered by Flutter to create this projects. So this is the entire project. So thank you.